welcome back to a new video. How you doing? Hope you're well. I rang up the garage this morning that's obviously working on the van, and just to try and get like a bit of a time frame when we can expect the van to be back. And it's not going to be till tomorrow evening at the earliest. The guy who's doing all the work is not in today, so he's back in tomorrow, so hopefully we get the van back tomorrow. So what we're going to do today is take the little monkey for a walk, just to try and time out a little bit. And then we're going to go over to Leicester to get some tools. Tabitha's mate, Dan, thanks Dan for lending us some tools. He's got like circular saw and stuff, and we was going to buy one, but obviously it saves us money if we can just borrow one. So we're going to head over there and get that, and I think we're going to do a B&Q trip as well and try and get some insulation and stuff, because the more stuff we get when we get the van back, obviously we can just get straight on with it. So I think that's the little plan today, but again, it's just a rough plan, so we'll see what happens. But first things first, let's get this little monkey out for a walk.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this place.
Right, so we're back from the walk now, and now we're in the van. We spent the time after taking Rocky for a walk, editing a video and sorting a few bits out.
Yeah, because when we actually got accepted for the monetization on YouTube, you have to go through and actually put it on each video. We didn't specify when they come on or anything like that. We kind of just let YouTube do that and see how it goes. But you have to go through each video and put yes, 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 yes for the monetization to be on. So we've done that as well. But now we're going to Leicester to go and pick up some tools.
Yes, so my friends actually lent us some tools for the build. So thanks to Dan for that.
Yeah.
I'm going to go pick them up tonight because...
Hopefully the van comes back tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully. They said the earliest tomorrow evening, didn't they?
Yeah, well, not earliest, but yeah, it's probably tomorrow evening, because the guy that actually working on it isn't in today, so he's in tomorrow. So he should get it finished off tomorrow. He's just got to put it all back together, I think. But yeah, so hopefully get that back tomorrow. And then we've got all the tools and stuff. And we've just found as well that we've got like a whole roll of sheet wool insulation from when we did this van back in the shed. So obviously that'll save us a few quid. We'll still need to buy some insulation and stuff like that, but not obviously as much as we thought we was going to have to buy, which is always good, save some money. But Rocky was tired for a little bit after doing all the running around, and then he had a sleep, and now he's back to his normal self again. So puppies recover quick. Yes,
they do. He needs another walk.
Yeah,
not yet.
No, definitely not yet. But yeah, so let's head over to Leicester and get some tools. Right, so we're at Dan's now. Come to collect some tools. He's been very kind to lend us, but he's just been showing us around his workshop he's been building. So he does like leather craft and he wants to do upcycling and stuff. But I'll give you a quick look around at what he's actually building, because it's pretty cool. So this side, he's just got like some shelving units, storage, toolbox. This bit hasn't been built yet. This will be like a workstation for his upcycling. Over here is the crown jewels. This is where he does all his leather work. I'll leave a link in the description below to all his channels if you want to go check him out. He does some pretty cool stuff. But thanks Dan for lending us some tools, and it should hopefully make the van build a lot smoother, a lot better and a lot quicker. But yeah, so we're going to head back to the farm. We might get some chicken though for dinner before that, but we'll wait and see. He's just been whinging the whole time. You big wuss. Right, so back at the farm now. We didn't actually do that much, to be fair. After that, we went and got some fried chicken. As always, that's our weak spot, especially when we go to Leicester. We didn't do any recording because we was kind of parked down some like proper dingy, dull lit road, and it was like dark as hell. So we didn't do any recording there, and we came straight back to the farm after that. But been a productive day. Like, we've gone and got the tools and stuff, which will help obviously the build a lot. So I know I've said it a few times in this video, but thanks again to Dan for that. But I think that's it for this video, because both of us are absolutely knackered. Rocky's already asleep down at the bottom of the bed. Where is he?
He did have a big run out earlier. We're all tired, I don't know why.
Demo. No, we haven't done that much, to be fair, but we're just super tired today. So we're going to call it a day, I think.
Yes, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.